Ladies and gentlemen, it is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. We got the sun out. We got the car out. We got the car clean. We're going to Woodward. We're going to go downtown Birmingham, see what's out and about. Just a good day to be a day. So I think we're going to find somewhere to park, hang out, see what's going on, see what kind of cars we can find. Pretty. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Oh, that's flying. That's too fast for Woodward, ladies and gents. You gotta be careful. This guy's going like 90. Visit Woodward round 2, second week in a row, and then we have Jewelers tomorrow downtown Birmingham. Look at that, ladies and gents. We got Toretto in the house. It's getting busy, getting greasy.
How does a person fit in that?
That's awesome. Ruh-roh.
Where they're gonna go?
They're assembling for some reason. See where they end up going. Yeah, right. I wouldn't be surprised if they ganged up to all roll in. This lot has like 100 people in it. It's busy. All right. Oh yeah. There it goes. Two are going in. I bet one comes down here and pulls in. Yep. Yep, there it is. They said, get out. Well, it is private property. I bet the owner called and he's like, there's 100 cars on my lot. Get them out, please. See what's going on here. He's checking it out. He's like, oh, what's in this thing? Oh, hell yeah. Well, it's a non-violent crowd. They're all just hanging out, having fun. But technically, they shouldn't be there. All the lights on. That's a funny shot right there. Today, we're going to downtown Birmingham for that Sweet Cars and Coffee that's once a month. Today is July 21st, so they're having it. We were on Woodward cruising a little bit this morning. We got the car washed all nice and pretty yesterday, and then hit Woodward last night for a little bit, as you just saw. But today, this morning, we're going downtown. So let's see what's out, see what's about, and get some cool shots. Got a Rolls-Royce Cullinan first thing in the morning, and Primo parking. Very nice. And the first spot of the day is an SF90. Satin black. That's so pretty. All right, let's see what's over here. I see an Aston Martin already. And let's see, Josh's Huracan, which does not have a wing. Oh, let's go, we can make it. It looks to be full because he's turning around. 720, another 720. I see some good stuff. GT3 RS. That's Precision Motorsports, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, SVJ's here. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we literally just walked in and grabbed one drink downstairs and then
We've got, that was the STO we saw yesterday on Woodward. And then We've seen these before. I believe these are owned by the same people. We have a Mercy, Huracan, and then that purple SVJ. And then the Diablo in front of it. Just absolutely nutty cars. Everybody came out this morning. Then we've got 2 of the new Lotuses too. Look at that. All right, let's walk around a little bit. And then MC20. It's gorgeous.
Gotta worry about traffic smoke.
All right. Again, kind of this overflow parking. We got GT3 RS 296. Interesting. And then a bunch of red cars. Viper, that. Oh, Mike's here too. Look at this green. That is beautiful. Look at all the Italian. Love it. Favorite color green ever. STO left the meat to go to the farmer's market. And that's what we're doing right now. See what's out here. All right, we're back at the garage, kind of home base. Got some furniture in here. We were, well, I was playing the new NCAA football game out here. So kind of migrated the setup. Then we had some food in here last night, so the garage is a bit of a crazy mess, but pretty quick cleanup. Probably do that since it's Sunday. I'm gonna upload this video literally in like 2 hours. I'm gonna edit the whole thing, so if you guys are new to the channel, this is like as close to live as possible. Birmingham just happened, so if you guys are new, subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm. Try and pumping out new exciting content for you guys as much as we can here on the channel. Until next time, hit that like button for the algorithm. Really does help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.